are here at the Dayton Home and Garden Show at the Convention Center, and we are here with Dayton Custom Cabinets. Could you tell us about who you are and what you do?
My name's Doug Taylor, and I build and design custom entertainment centers, wine rooms, bars, anything that you're needing customized, trim work. That's what I do.
Okay, and how long does it usually take to do a typical job?
From start to finish, takes about 3 weeks.
And that's for any job that you do, or is it for the larger ones, it takes way longer?
Larger jobs, getting started with the drawings to the final install usually takes about that long.
Okay. So do you enjoy this work, and when did you start doing this kind of work?
Oh, this has been probably 10 years since I've been doing this.
Wow.
24 years total in the industry.
This is Buscher's Home Improvement. We're located in Vandalia, Ohio, right off 75. We do mostly exterior work. We do sunrooms, patio covers, louvered pergolas, windows, doors, sliding glass doors, pretty much everything to do with outside.
Wow, looks nice in here too.
Yeah, it's pretty cozy. Come in, take a seat.
Actually, I think I will.
Very nice.
Oh, very comfortable. I like this. Can we sit here for a minute?
We're with Improve It Home Remodeling, and we work for one of the greatest, fastest growing home remodeling companies in Ohio. Been in business 25 years, up by Ohio State Fair. So we're based out of Dayton. Based out of Columbus, we work out of Dayton. So we sell fully remodeled bathrooms and energy efficient windows.
Well, how long have you both been with the company?
I've been with the company about a year.
Okay,
About 4 months for me.
So does it seem like it's pretty stressful getting started, or are you guys jumped right in where you feel like this is great, I love doing this?
Today's the day. It's going to be a big day. We're really excited. This has always been a great show for us. We're going to generate a lot of leads coming out of here, so we're real excited today to be here.
Sure, this is Mighty Bites Mini Donuts, and this is our donut robot. It will make about 1,200 donuts an hour, and they're cake donuts. They're very tasty. If you'd like to try one, we'd give you one that you can try.
You want to try one, Bobo? I'll try one for the camera, if I must.
Powdered sugar or cinnamon sugar?
Powdered, please.
Okay.
That's interesting.
Now they're getting going right now.
I like how it does the whole little flip thing. You can hear it rotating and getting through. So how many can you go through and make within an hour?
1,200.
Yowza.
It's
So
a lot
you
of
can really
donuts.
roll them out. How many do people usually place in an order?
They buy 1 dozen at a time.
Wow. Have you ever had anybody come through that's really bought up a whole bunch of them, come through with their family, and this cut like 3 or 4 dozen?
We have, yes. And also some of the other vendors purchased them for breakfast.
Oh, yeah, that's a good way to know. So if people are hungry and they miss breakfast when they come in, just come in here and get their breakfast from you guys, huh? Oh, and here's the taste test. That is moist, soft, chewy, and everything in between. It is good.
Sure, this is Mighty Bites Mini Donuts, and this is our donut robot. It will make about 1,200 donuts an hour, and they're cake donuts. They're very tasty. If you'd like to try one, we'd give you one that you can try.
You want to try one, Bobo? I'll try one for the camera, if I must.
Powdered sugar or cinnamon sugar?
Powdered, please.
Okay.
That's interesting.
Now they're getting going right now.
I like how it does the whole little flip thing. You can hear it rotating and getting through. So how many can you go through and make within an hour?
1,200.
Yowza.
It's
So
a lot
you
of
can really
donuts.
roll them out. How many do people usually place in an order?
They buy 1 dozen at a time.
Wow. Have you ever had anybody come through that's really bought up a whole bunch of them, come through with their family, and this cut like 3 or 4 dozen?
We have, yes. And also some of the other vendors purchased them for breakfast.
Oh, yeah, that's a good way to know. So if people are hungry and they miss breakfast when they come in, just come in here and get their breakfast from you guys, huh? Oh, and here's the taste test. That is moist, soft, chewy, and everything in between. It is good. Well, we are with Dayton Access Television. We're here at the Dayton Home and Garden Show, and we are here with Prestige Renovation. And can you tell us about who you are and what you do?
Yes, my name's Josh Miller. I'm the owner of Prestige Renovations, and we're just here to kind of show off a little bit of our work, high-end tile and bathroom remodels, kitchens, etc. So we have travertine and marble, and we're just kind of trying to show the people what we can offer. So
How long have you been in business?
about 12 years now.
Wow. So you've really built up a clientele.
A little bit. Still
Wow.
trying to grow as always. That's the goal. So.
Well, would you mind giving us a couple of showpieces and see what you got here?
So again, we're trying to tailor more to the high-end, custom, creative works. This is handmade, actually piece by piece. So this is our Pure Resistant, if you will.
And what about this over here?
And this is marble. You either hate it or you love it, but it's very timeless and just kind of a clean, natural feel as well. It's actually considered a natural stone too. So
what is that inner part?
these are called niches. It's for to set your shampoo and such on. We're just trying to
Okay.
give people options. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for talking. This is all absolutely beautiful.
Thank you very much.
Hey folks, how's everybody doing? It's good to be right here on DATV. I'm the Buckeye Guy. We're right down here at the Dayton Home and Garden Show. It don't get no bigger than this, folks.
We are here at the Dayton Home and Garden Show at the Dayton Convention Center talking to Arnold Home Improvement, and was wondering if you could tell us a little bit about who you are and what you do.
Oh, sure. We do the Arnold's one-day bath over here for us. It's a 3-piece acrylic system. It's warranted for life there for us. And we're Better Business Bureau accredited, Angie's Super Service List. We've been around for about 25 years and enjoy going to the Dayton Home Show.
So when you say one-day bath, does that mean you come in and lay this over top of the other bath, or do you come in and do the harder jobs too, like maybe remove a bath completely?
Good question. We do both. We can come out, take it down to the studs there for you, spray for any mold or mildew behind it. Then we put up green board to try to inhibit any more mold or mildew. And then we put our system over top. We actually scribe the back wall so you get a 100% custom fit there for you.
So all in one day?
All in one day. Yep.
Wow.
Yep.
Yes, I'm with Home Depot Home Services, and we're here offering free in-home kitchen consultations or bath consultations. Anyone wanting to make some updates to their kitchen or bath over the next year, it's free, no obligation.
My name is Jeremy Caldwell. I'm the owner of Handcrafted Amish Furniture of Dayton, and we do all solid handmade furniture and cabinets. We specialize in Amish-made products specifically, and we came to the Home and Garden Show just to show folks our wares and hopefully meet some new customers.
We are here with Premier Home Center and wanted to find out who you are, what you do. Just tell a little bit about yourself.
Okay, my name's Doug Clary. I work with Premier Home Centers. I run the flooring department. We carry all types of flooring, be it carpet, vinyl, ceramic, anything of that nature. A lot of the new products that are coming out now as well. And in our whole setup here at the shop, we have also cabinets, windows, doors, lighting fixtures, plumbing fixtures, things of that nature too. So anything to help you with the home center to try to build your home and to remodel and upgrade it and make it current.
We do site-finished hardwood floors using the newest technologies, the vacuums and everything. We actually put the finish on site so that we do not have the micro beveled edges where they come together, and we have truly a sealed floor.
I noticed that. The first thing I noticed when I walked up was this. And what can you kind of give me an explanation of what this is?
That's a medallion, and what that was, it was copied after sidewalk graffiti. And that's a set of stairs. That's a metaphor for my life. It's a set of stairs going nowhere and no last step.
Oh, wow. Interesting. And what about this one over here?
I like to use these two medallions side by side, because when you look at this medallion and you look at this medallion, this one seems larger, but they're the exact same size.
Oh, so it's kind of like a perspective imaging type thing.
Your eye comes together.
Yeah.
Like that.
All right. Alrighty, we are here at the Dayton Convention Center, and we are talking to who you are and what you do.
Scott Backer, I'm with Select Kitchen Design. We're based out of Lyons Road in Miamisburg, and we serve the greater Dayton area for kitchen cabinetry. Amish cabinets is our specialty, and then granite and quartz countertops. Yeah, the display behind me is an Amish-built display. It's all wood construction, and it's a cherry door, solid wood cherry, built in Ohio, and yeah, full custom, without a lot of the price though. Very reasonable price for what you get.
Great. Amazing. It all looks very beautiful. And I'm looking at that black flat stove behind you and how it blends in very well with the background and the counters, and that is absolutely beautiful.
Yeah.
We are here talking with Renewal by Andersen, correct? And can you tell us a little bit about who you are and what you do?
So Renewal by Andersen is a replacement window company. Basically what we do is we come out, custom measure your windows, give you a price good for 30 days or even a full year. We have our own installers. Pretty much the basis of it. So.
Okay. So what do you have behind you?
Right here we've got it's a Renewal by Andersen door, and then we've got a Provia entry door, and then we've got 3 of our Renewal by Andersen windows. We've got a slider window here, a double hung, and a casement window.
How long have you been in business?
This company right here has been in business for 6 years. Renewal by Andersen has been in business for a little bit longer, and then Andersen's actually been in business since 1901.
Yow.
For a long time, yeah, for 114 years now, so it's awesome.
Obviously they're doing very well, or they wouldn't still be here.
That's right.
Well, thank you so much for talking to us, and you enjoy your day.
You too.
We're here at the 2015 Dayton Home and Garden Show, talking with Ryan. He's going to tell us about his company and what they're here doing today.
I work for Pete Delois's Recreations Outlet. We're based out of Cincinnati, and we sell play sets, basketball goals, spring-free trampolines, hot tubs. We basically bring the funds. Come right over, look. This is a spring-free trampoline. It's very different than any trampoline that you've seen before. Traditional trampolines have springs on the jumping mat. This one has composite rods underneath rather than springs. Makes it much safer. This net comes from the commercial fishing industry, so adults and kids, they're not going to fall out of it. It's going to keep everybody in there. And the way they engineered this trampoline, there's actually independent jumping zones in each corner. So if one child's jumping in one corner and one's in another, they're not going to feel each other's bounce at all. So it's the safest trampoline on the market. In our showroom down in Milford, we have all 4 of them, all 4 different sizes on display, and we sell a lot of them. And we can level them for you as well. So even if you have slope in your yard, we can take care of that.
This is Pella Sales Incorporated. We're out of Kettering, Centerville, Ohio. Doors are made in Pella, Iowa. Yeah, we do all things from vinyl windows to fiberglass windows, patio doors, wood windows, you name it. Save your money on energy.
Okay. So they are energy efficient, you said?
Every one of them. Yeah. Everything from double pane to triple pane. Most will have the argon gas and low E coating.
Absolutely beautiful. Can you point to a couple of them? Let us get some shots here.
Yeah, this one would be really nice. Patio door. We make those sliding doors, hinge doors. You get blinds between the glass.
Also, yes, that's great. Keeps it well insulated.
They'll stay dust free, especially if people are having problems with allergies around the house. Trapped in there.
That's good. Yeah, a lot of people have that, especially with the seasons changing right now.
You'll never have to dust these. Very nice.
Well, yes, extremely nice. Thank you so much for talking to us about this, and you have a great day.
Sure. Thanks for stopping.
Well, my name is David. I'm with Whispering Creek, and we're here as a landscape and hardscape company, water features. And we're in the New Carlisle area, but we do a lot of work down in Centerville, Kettering, Oakwood, and so forth. And we're just here having a good time, hoping to bring some people in that are interested in doing some landscaping and adding some value to their house.
I'm Bill with Enterprise Roofing. We do all kinds of roofing, sheet metal, gutters, all types of repair work. We've been in business since 1926. We've been serving the Dayton area for many, many years, and we're still a family-owned company, and we would love to hear from anybody that needs any kind of roofing, repair, or sheet metal needs.
So we represent GNG Fitness equipment. My dad started it 25 years ago. We supply the fitness equipment to the hotels, colleges, NFL teams, high schools, rehab facilities, and then we have 15 retail locations where you can come in and buy specialty fitness equipment for the home. What's awesome about it, it's family owned. My dad started it. My younger brothers all played in the NFL. My recent brother, Rob Gronkowski, just won the Super Bowl with the New England Patriots. So it's awesome. He actually came out last week and visited all the stores, and now we're here at the Dayton Home Show today representing our company.
Very good.
It's been a great show so far. We do specialize in outdoor lighting. It's our only business, from architectural to landscape lighting. We are a proprietary brand. We manufacture all of our lights in-house to specification. And we have 28 locations across the country. This is kind of based out of our corporate headquarters. We take a very specialized approach to architectural lighting. So the whole kind of name of the game is a very constant, consistent, subtle look across the front architecture of the home, where there's not streaky lights, very consistent across the eaves, creating a very dramatic effect that's non-intrusive to your privacy. So been a great show thus far, and we look forward to educating people on outdoor lighting.
We are Turner's Manipulated Metal, and we make metal yard art and things for inside people's houses. We buy it in 20-foot long pieces of steel. Everything's chopped and bent by hand. We coat it with Penetrol for rusting. It's very, very good stuff, what you use on vehicles. And we even do custom work.
Wow.
Yeah.
Beautiful artwork here.
Thank you. My husband is, I love his brain. Yeah.
Nichols Lawn and Landscaping. We've been in business for 7 or 8 years now. We focus a lot on the hardscaping, landscaping side of things. So, paver patios, retaining walls, that kind of work. We do full service landscape design as well as maintenance, mowing, mulching your beds, cleaning up in the spring and the fall. So, other than that, we get into a little bit of everything. We really don't like to tell customers no. So, we do outdoor structures, pergolas, gazebos, and that kind of thing. So,
where are you based out of?
We're based in the West Milton, New Carlisle area, or West Milton, Tip City area, but we travel as far south as Wilmington. We've done a couple of appointments this year up in the Mechanicsburg area. So, we pretty much go where the work is. So.
Very good.
My name is Bill Merker. I'm with Merker Ornamental Iron. We make railing, fences, driveway gates, about anything you can think of out of metal.
Where are you based out of?
East end of Dayton. My family's been doing it for 66 years in that location.
Very good.
We restore ornamental iron, about anything you can imagine, we take care of.
All right. Very good.
All righty.
Good looking booth.
Thank you.
Hey, I'm Jeremy Colvin. I'm with Cutting Edge Landscapes. We are a full design, build, maintenance company. We're out here with a natural stone, paver patio, bubbling rock, a lot of plants. Just really enjoying the show. It's been great. Better weather today. Expecting a great crowd.
Yeah.
Hi, my name is Brandon. I work with Jeff Bonham Electric, and this here is a Kohler generator. This is pretty much going to do the average whole house, and when you lose power, within 9 seconds you're back up and running. So you can actually see it right here on the LEDs here.
Okay.
When power goes out, about 3 seconds the generator will start up, and you'll see that right here. And then it'll switch over, and you'll be back online. Like I said, about 9 seconds, and you're completely back up and running.
Okay.
We've been in this area since '59, so it's a good amount of time, yeah.
Hi, we are at the Dayton Convention Center at the Dayton Home and Garden Show, and I would like to find out who you are, what you're here for, and what you do.
Our name's Dusty Staggs. This is Aaron Kuntz. We're here with Sherwin Williams. We're down here today. We have a few products out here that we're showcasing, everything from homeowners, contractors. We have something for everyone, so if you'd like to stop in, we can help. We have our color tools available, some of our new products that we're showcasing, our Emerald, our Duration. We have some design specialists here as well. If you'd like to come down, have some color consults, they can come out to your house, help you with colors. Coupons available, so really something for everyone, homeowners, contractors. Come on by and see us here at Sherwin Williams.
We're the Dayton
Dayton Society of Interior Designers, and we've done 8 spaces here. We've done it for many years, and it's just something we do as a group. So each space is done by an individual designer.
Well, this is my space, and I'm Acorn Studio, and I'm from Troy, and this is just some of my designs. I like to design with antiques and color in the 21st century, more of an eclectic type look. And I'm also, as you said in the beginning, the Lost Tree Garden Antique Show. I might as well plug it. It's coming up in June, and we've been having it for 17 years in Troy, Ohio. So I come here and I can promote my design work, my custom framing, and the garden show.
Okay, we are here with Wallace Custom Woodworking, T. Wallace Custom Woodworking, correct? And can you tell us a little bit about what you have going on here, who you are, what you do?
Hey, I'm Thad Wallace. I am the designer and builder creator of all this. I use reclaimed wood to make furniture come to life. So I will find old barns and things and take interesting pieces out of them and create just different furniture that way. So.
Okay. And so this is some of your work behind you, correct?
Yeah, these are just some snapshots of my work, the different stains that I offer and finishes and everything. So.
Okay. And is there any particular one that's your favorite, or something that you really liked that was your favorite piece of work?
Actually, this table right here is probably one of my favorite pieces of work so far. 12 feet long and 4 feet wide, and this is a 150-year-old barn siding from an old tobacco barn. So.
Absolutely wonderful work. I can only dream to do something like this. But thank you so much for talking to us, and you have a wonderful day.
Hello, I'm with Eric with TB & Sons Construction. We do all kinds of remodeling and restoration. We do windows, siding, gutters, doors, anything on the exterior, or kitchens and baths on the interior. We like to do whatever people need for their house to better improve their lifestyle. This is a designer series roof, woodland series.
Oh, nice.
A little bit different than all your typical roofs that are out there nowadays. Kind of sets you apart from all the other people.
When you're saying that this is different, it sets it apart, what exactly does this kind of roofing do compared to others?
See how you get to step up and step down. It gives you a little bit different texture. As far as this is some of your typical shingles that you have on a lot of the houses nowadays, your typical dimensional, everything straight across. And here you'll see the up and down. Just kind of gives you a little bit different dimension.
So does that protect the house more by doing that?
It gives you an extra little bit of layerage on there over the whole thing versus
protects against strong weather and stuff like that.
Correct, yeah. Yep.
Hi, I'm Heather. And hi, I'm Caitlin. And we're at the Dayton Home and Garden Show.
You're watching on DATV.
Hi, I'm Phil Cluse. I'm the manager of the Dayton Habitat Restore. Restore sells used and home goods, building products, a wide variety of things people can use in the home, everything except clothing. So we have quite a bit of furniture. Occasionally we get antiques like this block front secretary we have here. Wide variety of things. So you never know what you're going to find at the Restore. It's like any other thrift, like a Goodwill store or any of the other thrift stores out there. It's open to the public. Anybody can shop there. There's no income requirements like that, and all the money goes to benefit Dayton Habitat for Humanity. The Restore's been around for about 8 years, but we've recently, in the last year and a half, opened up a brand new store. We're open Tuesday through Saturday, and we're open 9 to 5 during the week and 9 to 3 on Saturday. We're closed Sunday and Monday.
Hi, I'm Rob Hopper with Beacon Audio Video Systems.
What are you guys showcasing here today at the home show?
We have here the Ultimate Man Cave on display so that you can see exactly what you can do to provide entertainment in your, in your home.
So I notice you have both LED, LCD monitors, and you also have a projection system. What are the advantages with having a projection system?
The main advantage of a projection system is an increased size of screen, which gives you a completely different experience, allowing you to have a very immersive experience watching, whether it be sports, TV, or movies. screen on display is a black diamond screen, zero edge black diamond screen from Screen Innovations. So it's actually designed to reject all of the light in a room except the projector. So you can put it in a room that has a lot of light in it and still have a great picture. The main thing that has happened with projectors over the past 5 years or even 10 years is the increase in brightness versus the cost and picture quality. So picture quality has gone has gone extremely high. Cost has come down a lot, and the brightness has allowed you to put them in more spaces that you normally would not have been able to put them in. Audio systems in the last 5 years, probably the largest single change is in streaming media, being able to play your Pandora, Rhapsody, Spotify, or music straight from your phone, iPod, computer, or whatnot through the audio system. The same concept has filtered down to watching movies off of, say, Netflix, or playing something from your phone through an Apple TV, so that if you're watching a YouTube clip on your iPhone, you can send it to your TV and actually watch it on the screen, or take pictures off of your phone or iPod and put them up on your screen.